Hi all, it's me again, Maggie. Welcome to another video. As you can see, it's about braiding on a straight hair. I will be sharing with you tips to making beautiful braids on straight hair and tricks to keep it longer and neat for longer period of time. And also, I will be showing you how I style this look. My beautiful friend and sister will be modeling it for us today. We have already started before we decide to put it on a video. And if this video is not clear enough for you, just let me know on the comment section. I will make another video on a slow motion to teach you how to braid or twist, because I was like 8 years old when I started braiding. This is something natural for me to do, unlike every other tutorial. I started braiding from the roots, then start twisting till I get to the tip. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so, and thank to those who have done so. Tip number 1 is spraying the hair with water, not with oil, because with oil it can get too slippery. But when you spray it with water, you will not find hair hanging out of the yarn at the time when you finish, and you can still braid or twist it very neat. That is tip number 1. Tip number 2. When we finish braiding hair, we normally cut the hair hanging out with scissors. That is no. What I do, I use dryer to straighten the hair. Scissors is used only when it's really necessary. That is tip number 2. Next tip is putting the braid on warm water. I mean the tip of this braid on warm water. Not the whole braids, just the tip. Because when you put the whole braids on warm water, the color will become dull, and after 2 weeks you may not like your braids anymore. Using dryer is already enough to keep the braid tight and shiny as it's supposed to look.